Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil, natural gas, copper, nickel and silver mini in the same video. The chart you are seeing is the 7-minute candlestick chart for crude oil, and right after the opening around 2930, the price started moving towards 2960 where it found resistance and it came down till 2890, and again it found support, tried to move up and a lot of zigzag price action happened around 2900 and finally closed near 2916. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 2930 in and around this range. You can go for buying till 2900 and place stop at 2890 expecting the price to move up, and this is not a very easy range for traders. There are equal chances for both buyers and sellers, but we want to stay on the buying side because the price had taken some support around 2900 and we could see some activity here, which means that there can be some possible buying that can be added in this 2900 zone. So we feel that we want to position ourselves on the buying side, but as said earlier, these are the difficult zone where buyers and sellers are equal. Now let us move on to the next commodity, natural gas. See what happened in natural gas. The price stayed in this key zone of 186 and it tried to come down till 183, but finds some support, and we know that this is an important zone. So once the price could not stay below this and it's recovering above 186, that resulted in some buying towards 196. So but the price cannot hold and it lost everything, again came near 186 and closed near 190. So it's very obvious that somebody is trying to buy at 186 and the market is rejecting those buys. It could not stay higher and it's dropping down. And today it's expected to open near 190. You can go for selling till 192 by placing stop at 193 expecting the price to come down. Now we want to stay along with the trend. If you see, the yesterday's price closing is just above the previous day's price closing, and the yesterday's high is lower compared to the previous day's high. But the only doubt is we are witnessing some sort of buying around 186. But still we feel the price will follow its trend, because so many times the price had taken a support around 186 but it has failed to stay above 190 or 192. If it had closed above 192 and if it had opened above 192, that may pull a lot of buyers, but still since it is closed near 190 and opening near these zones, we feel we need to stay on the selling side. Now let us move to the next commodity, copper. So what happened in copper? Copper took a U-turn, opened at 509 and slowly it converted 512 into a support. So you could see that the price had a very complete U-turn, but that didn't happen without indication. On the previous day, the price tried to make everything above 512 and closed above 512, and once the price starts moving above 512 and converting that into support, this indicates that the market is going for reversal, and that happened, and finally price closed near 522 and today it's expected to open somewhere near the same zone. So go for buy till 520 by placing stop at 519 expecting the market to move up, and we had marked various resistances, targets. Now let's move on to the next commodity, nickel. What happened in nickel? Nickel yesterday, initially right after the opening, it had some sort of aggressive selling and the price tested 1056. And you could see that I am going to decrease the scale so that we can understand the price actions. So this was a support earlier. So what happened? The price came and hit the support and tried to move up, but this 160, you could see that here also this 160 provided support and that pushed the price higher. So the price slowly converting this 1066 into support, and the price was playing within supports and resistance, and you could see that things are happening within the levels whatever we had marked. So finally closed near 1064 and today it's expected to open somewhere near 64 and 66. Wait for the price to move above 1067. Go for buying by placing stop at 1064, expecting some sort of push in the price action so that book profit and exit from the market. Okay, so now let us move to the final commodity, silver mini. So what happened in silver mini yesterday? So yesterday so most of the commodities opened lower and gave a recovery. That's what we are seeing in most of the commodities, key commodities. Silver opened near 59,600 and came down towards 59,400, and again went up and took resistance around 6,200, came down to create a new low, and again went up towards the same range, again came down. So 60,200 was actually providing a resistance, but the price, it could easily move above that, but still the price closed near 6,400, and today it's expected to open some money in the same zone. Go for selling till 6,600 by placing stop at 6,800, expecting the price to come down. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Up trading, take care, bye.